You know what, guys? I can't do this anymore. I can't do this anymore. And I'm gonna do it right in front of you because I just can't. I can't do this. I can't do. I can't. You guys see that? I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut my hair because I can't do this. I really can't. You know, I'm just I'm just gonna cut it because I can't. I can't do it. I guess you get to know Carolina. Guys, look. It has no volume here. And it has all the volume up here. Do you see that, right? Wait, look. You guys see that, right? It's not as full here. You see how it's like empty? Look. And here it is different. You know what? This is how I get. Is this how I cut my finger? I think this is how I cut my finger. This is how I cut my finger last time. I can't, guys. I can't. My hair. I don't care. I can't do it. I can't do it. And look, over here is like longer still. I'm gonna cut my hair. Wait, where is it? Wait. I don't want to cut my finger again. Can't do it. I can't do it. I don't know. This is not how professionals do it. It's okay. This is not how professionals do it. What happens if I regret it now? I gotta do the other side. I can't be like, I regret it now. I don't got time for this shit. And we're gonna do this. Hopefully it's the same length. I don't know, guys. Hopefully it's the same length. Right? Can you imagine? I hope it's the same length. Okay, come on. Slowly so I don't cut my finger again. So the video got cut off, but here we go. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I cut all my hair. This is what happens when Carolina is bored at home. Don't ask me what happened when I'm go live. Don't ask me what happened. This is what happened. Now it's all even, I think. See?